Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. August 5, Monday. A nice and red day on the markets. If you want to buy cheap. For the Moon Boys, it's disaster, time to quit, things like that. Morning, Yopunk, morning, Sebastian, morning, Shogun, morning, Bukur, morning, Bova. So, I hope everything is nice on the YouTube part. Please tell me if everything is okay. Some of you just type in the chat so we know it's okay. Well, this time it's the same, guys. As we said multiple times, don't trust the influencers, don't be a moon boy. Risk first approach. Well, sorry to tell some people that that's how this game is played. Yeah. So, where we are now, we are trying to fight this 52 level, and you can see we are closing. We are trying to break to the next one, straight to 45. In a environment like this, it's possible. I still think 50-52 will be respected. So we'll SFU, we'll take some liquidity, we'll come back. I don't know necessarily if this level will hold. You can see here, not the biggest support at 52. The big one, it's at 45 here. We know that. Yeah. Well, everything is okay. Why is not okay? We had this chart here from a long time ago, and we said possible, even probable to get this level. Even 45, it's a good level to watch out. Let's remind that a healthy market will go and retest 61.8. Well, 61.8 is all the way down here. So I don't see any problem here. Bitcoin is holding really nice. It's pretty strong actually, for the moment indeed. Okay, so what do we have now? Fighting 52 here on weekly basis. Look how the last week closed at 58. Okay, we can go and play around in this area. I think between 52 and 45 it's a good area to play around. Maybe even form a W in the next couple of weeks. Maybe. That's why we have this level. It's pump chaser zone from the entire area. If you are looking on 1 minute chart, well, you'll panic. If you are an investor, you don't have any business to look on lower than daily, not even daily, weekly chart. That's your time frame. If you are a swing trader, then okay, weekly, daily, and sometimes 4-hour chart. If you are a day trader, okay, you can go on 1 hour, 50-minute chart, 5-minute chart. But if you are an investor, you don't have any fucking business to stay on 5-minute chart, because you'll panic. Either you'll FOMO, either you'll panic sell. So just don't do it. Stay on your time frame. Know your limits. It's that simple. For me here, it's kind of buying opportunity, but I still want some confirmation. Why? Because I have 2 plans, working 3 plans actually, buying altcoins at specific levels. So on the buying part, I'm okay. I want to see, if I want to trade here, I want to see a clear setup. And in this volatility, I don't think we have setups. We'll take a look after we'll do the overview, but I don't think it's the time for, I don't know, 1 hour setups or 4 hours time frame setups. Not yet. Okay, so everyone who's watching this community, who's watching me and Crypto Traders Arena, should be prepared for this scenario. We spoke too many times about it. I know 99% of the crypto Twitter, the moon boys and people like that, well, straight to the moon, 80k, 100k, 1 million. Well, it's not that easy. Who has some experience in the market knows that. Every time it's a different reason. Yeah, now we have a reason. In 2020 we had a different one. The world was ending in that day. By the way, don't think the bounce will be epic here. I think we'll consolidate. If the traditional market will keep bleeding, this crypto will have time to consolidate, and you'll have time to buy your levels. Okay, that's weekly here. Indicators, well, nothing special. You can see some bullish divergence forming on OBV. This is a clear sign that this is panic, and the volume is not there. Just look at this one. Something is off. The volume is not there, not for the moment. And it's on OBV. People with big money are not selling. This is the public panicking here. Sorry, that's the reality. You want to be the public, do whatever you want. So that's Bitcoin on weekly. Let's take a look at total. Well, range, yams, another yam, and breaking down. We can say that we'll probably close below this level and we can push lower. Yeah, I think so. Total too, similar. We can see we have some support here. So I'm assuming that some altcoins will hold a bit better. But overall, we can go back down here. Yeah. Total 3, similar thing. Just remember, total 3. It's Bitcoin, without Bitcoin and Ethereum. And look at this one. It's retesting the range. Nothing more, nothing less. No? Altcoins are getting destroyed here. You can go and pick them up. On the floor, you will see a lot of altcoins, and you just pick up what do you like. If you still have cash, if you listen to us, and I said never 100% in cash. In crypto, you have to have some cash. Now it's time to start thinking about deploying that cash. Not everything, but some of it. Okay, so here I could see we have a small support here looking left. Keep in mind, we are looking at weekly. This could go lower, could bounce higher. This week is just starting. Could be just a week and we can close the candle a lot higher. We don't know yet. We are testing this support level for the moment. No? As you can see, this downtrend channel pretty valid. No? Okay, now let's go on lower time frame, on daily specifically, and let's see what we have. On this, the other template, you can see we are waiting for a long time to get a feel here. But some people try to catch a falling knife here, and you can see what happened. They got stopped out here. Ugly. But don't try to catch falling knives. Even if it's a support area, we'll not hold at the week basis. We'll hold maybe at the candle body close, but on the week, you cannot know where the week will close. So don't try to trade too aggressively here. Daily. Well, on daily, you can see our hedge is working. Hopefully you still have it. You had a chance to put another one. And I specifically said, if you don't have a hedge, you have the opportunity to put a hedge here. Well, that hedge will help you now. You will be in a good position. Maybe you will not cover 100% from your spot portfolio, but still is something. Still more than 50%. You'll still be in a good position. Well, some people said, Paul, you are stupid. You are not a stupid trader. You are just stupid. Market will go straight up from here. You saw even on on Stefan Twitter how people reacted. Why you are shorting in a clear uptrend? Why you are stupid? I'm Dr. Crypto. Oh, okay. If you are Dr. Crypto, now tell me what I should do here. Sorry guys, I'm being mean a little bit, but even I am getting tired sometimes of explaining. Well, the market is not working that way. Okay, we SFU now. We SFU this level. We can bounce maybe. Or we can go straight to 45. Let's wait and see what will happen. Keep your hedge trade if you have it. This long reload zone is not valid anymore because we broke the structure, so we should close this one. So we have the long reload zone here. We can wait for a general setup here. You know, bullish divergence Here you have location, bullish divergence, and then a nice W, breakout and retest. I think it's a valid thinking for the moment here. Don't catch falling knives. I said earlier, I said yesterday, I posted everywhere just in case someone is tempted to catch falling knife. I'm waiting on the sidelines on the trading part until I'll find an advantage. In this volatility, it's just asking to lose your money. It's just asking to lose your money. Okay, now on daily here, I don't see a setup, good location, so we should watch that one. On daily in 4-hour chart, I think we can play something if a W will form. Indicators on the ground, at least RSI. OBV, well, just playing ball, just following the price action. I don't think it's anything special, but look left is getting in a support area, so maybe something about that level. I don't want to play anything else here. Either I'll play the shark setup, which is big, 46 to 38. It's too much for me, so I'll say pass. I'll wait for a general setup. So for swing traders, if you want to play something, play a general setup if we'll have one here. If you remember, someone called me stupid here when I sold at 50. 52, 54. This was outperforming here for me, but my plan was to sell some here and buy lower. Seems like if the market will continue in this rate, we can go lower and I could buy my position back. Don't catch falling knives. I'll repeat, don't catch falling knives. You can see how it's looking. We can bounce straight up, but why you want to do that? Let's wait for the market to prove us that is done selling. So we'll go, the wick will stop, we'll bounce, and then you can draw your long reload zone. For example, if we form a W, you can outperform, you can even outsmart the market. Well, let's say that this one will go down here. Come on. Yeah? Don't catch falling knife. You don't know how low it will go. Wait for, come on. Don't catch a falling knife, you don't know when. Let it bounce. When stops bounce, draw a long reload zone and will probably stop somewhere, something like this. Try to form a W. That's your area to buy it. And then, okay, for higher time frame, you'll see the W and then the retest. That is usually how a bottom is formed. Even if it's on 4-hour chart, you will get your retest. That's your entry. You don't want to be here in the market. So wait for the market stop dropping. Let it bounce and then try to catch in the long reload zone here. That's the perfect entry for this one could fail and could go lower, okay, but you have a small window of risk from here to lows or to W you'll find here. You can define your risk. If you'll be proven wrong, okay, say fuck it, out, next bus. But here you don't have a way to put your stop loss. You have to go left and you don't know which one of these levels will get respected. Yeah? At least it's what I'll do with my own money. I'm not catching falling knives here. Okay. Now let's go on Ethereum. Well, there you go. Let's go back on weekly on Ethereum. We didn't look at weekly. Buy the rumor, sell the news. That's how Ethereum is called today. Yeah? ETF. There you go, ETF. No? Buy the rumor, sell the news. Classic. When I said that, everyone was saying, no, this time is different. Ethereum has the ETF will go to 10K. Oh, okay. From what level will go to 10K? From here or lower? You can see it's straight testing 61.8, and I don't know if we'll hold this level. Honestly, I don't see the W. So if we'll form a W here above long reload zone, I'm not interested to touch it. I need the price to go lower, below $2,000, and then form a W. Something like this. So we can bounce. Same scenario like on Bitcoin. Let it stop dropping. wait for the bounce, draw reload zone, and hunt setups. Well, guys, I see that you are really active in the chat. Good morning, Mr. Ken. Well, you are happy now that you are in this community, Ken, and not in another one. Okay, guys, that's Ethereum on weekly. You can see we have some support here. The big support is in the long reload zone, but it's not tested properly yet. We can push a bit lower. $2,000, it's a big fat round number, will be tested, respected, but I think we can break it on the week level, and then we can push back up. Indicators here, I don't see anything special. Same as on Bitcoin, they are following the Bitcoin, the price action. Daily chart, similar on indicators. You can see we reacted properly from 61.8. Yeah? We front run it with $10. Will probably bounce, but I'll have to wait here in the long reload zone. Sorry, I don't see a setup. I just don't. We had AB equals CD. We spoke about a couple of weeks ago. AB equals CD. Outperform a little bit. We have this range. We broke below 1-to-1 on DCM. It's in this long reload zone. So I'll wait here for a setup. But don't get me wrong, guys. I'm bullish. I want to buy, I don't want to sell here. So if I'll say, okay, I'll wait a bit lower, that doesn't mean, please, beginners, that doesn't mean sell. That means wait to buy. Because a lot of people, well, you said lower and I sold and I shorted. I said I will not short this market. Doesn't matter how bearish it looks. I'll buy the dip. That's my plan. It's that simple. Okay, I hope I was clear for beginners. The old ones who are on VIP or premium members from 2 years ago, they know the drill. They know what they should do here. If they are able to do it, it's a different question, it's a different problem, but at least technically they know what they should do. So I don't see anything to do here. Buying falling knives here, asking for trouble. You don't know which SFU level will play out. You want to play an SFU on lower time frame? Okay, draw your levels, play the reclaim. That's it. 0.5 risk per trade, then you can try. You'll have low win rate, but you'll have high risk to reward, so could compensate. If you want to hunt something, for example, I'm losing a scalp now on Ethereum here, or an SFU, you can see it. I'm blabbing away on YouTube when I should be trading my portfolio. Because I could see something there, but scalping level. On swing trading, not yet. Bitcoin dominance here. Well, yesterday we said that if you'll see Bitcoin dominance pushing higher through 57 and trying to go or going to 60%, that will be the bottom for altcoins. That will be the cleanup, the sell-off for the next bull market on altcoins to start. Will take time, will not be and done, but at least it's a sign that, well, we are resetting and we can go higher. The first sign was when exchanges removed our orders. That was forced tell for me, okay, they are preparing something. Yeah, so they removed your orders and they are pushing the price down now. You don't have the orders, you'll get panic and you'll not put the orders back and the market will bounce without you. I'm not preaching here, I'm just tell you what I see, Miko. Well, so that's the tell here. One was with the exchanges, now this one pushing to 60. Well, some people say that we could go higher. Yeah, maybe. We'll see that daily M. We'll see that daily M at some point in time. We are here day in, day out. So we'll be here probably. Let's see what will happen here today, maybe tomorrow. It's too early for us to tell. Yeah, it's just playing the range game. This should be a fake out. nothing clear. This should be a fake out and we should go back in the range. If it's not the case, well, you can see the next level. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. There you go. Guys, I was speaking about this long reload zone more than 2 years ago. Miku can tell you that. Stefan can tell you that. I was live streaming with Brian Beamish 2 years ago every fucking Wednesday. And I said I want the price back down in the long reload zone. Lately, I said, look at this megaphone. This is a potential, how a bottom should look. I drew this one yesterday. Nothing crypto chart related. And a lot of people, well, Paul, you are stupid. It's not the case. Look at the megaphone. Look at the long reload zone. Now, we are in the long reload zone. Now, please, pretty please, give me a W. We touched that level, finally. I don't see too many people interested what I should buy, what I should do. I don't see new people coming in and telling me, Paul, show me a good plan to buy some altcoins. No. They'll come at the top, ask me questions. Joining couple one, yeah, at the top or after the top. Now nobody's interested to do that. Best moment. But unfortunately, that's the reality. That's how the market is working. Here we need a W, at least on daily chart we need a W, like this one. I'll prefer a small one like this one, but we don't know what we'll get. Maybe we can get a dark maul here, but at some point in time we'll retest this week low and we'll form a W. So don't catch falling knives, not even on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Next one, DXY. Well, unfortunately, we left these support and resistance levels. I had 3 here, 105, 103.5 was the lower one. And you can see we are going back in the long reload zone. You can see, low, high, back in the long reload zone. Nothing unusual. I just wanted DXY to stay here. But it's not about me, it's about what market wants to do. Bottom? I don't see a bottom. I see a big range here. You can see. As long as it's above 100, we don't have a problem. After that, we'll form a big gap and would go a lot lower. I don't know if it's the case. We'll see. I don't want to try to outsmart the market. Let's take it level by level. Yeah, we are above long reload zone for the moment. Okay, that's the overview. Conclusion here, don't catch falling knives, wait, like I said, wait for the market to stop dropping, bounce, and then hunt in the long reload zone. That's the best way I learned to trade and to hunt setups. You think it's the case to go on lower time frames to find some setups on 4-hour chart? I don't think so. But we can talk about, we'll take a look at some altcoins, but first, keep in mind we have news, PMI today in the New York session. That's for day traders and scalpers. Yeah? Default position in the New York session until that news will pass. Yeah? You can play if you have something in the London session, but go on default position in the New York session until after the news. After that, we can play again. We'll live stream as usual in the New York session, so we'll see live what is happening in the market. Twitter, I don't think is anything we can do about Twitter. Please, if you want to participate in our giveaway, weekly giveaway, I have the pinned tweet here. Just go and retweet this one to win one premium month. Yeah. Retweet this one, nothing more, nothing less. You don't have to like, you just retweet this one and I'll do the draw in the next weekly crypto review. Yeah? Watch the video if you didn't watch it yet. Leave a like if you like the content, a dislike if you don't like that content. I don't mind. I'm not an influencer, I'm not, I don't know, anything else than a stupid trader trying to help my community. If someone is interested about my way to see the market, that's good. I made this community to try to help a lot of people, at least as much as we can. The power of a community is in its members. So if you are hunting and posting setups, if I'm hunting and posting setups, and if we have 20 people with experience hunting and posting setups, that we'll have overall a easier job. Yeah, will be easy for me to look from your setups and scan and see what fits for me and play it. Yeah. My job is just to keep, from now on, my job is to keep the community clean and let the people post their setups. Okay, so Twitter, not too many things to do here. I didn't saw the influencers posting anything. They are quiet now. Huh? Sorry. That's the reality. Where are the top sellers? Some of them, they are smart people and they sold you the top. Not like me. Okay, on the flip side, here, day trading from Friday. If you remember, some people from this live stream were in the Friday New York live stream. And we said here, I'll play the shark. I don't want to play the mountain man, but I'll fucking play the shark. On lower time frame, of course, 15 minute chart. And I took this setup and we had half an hour. I was blabbing away. You have time to take this setup. I have to play the shark, has a good win rate, is the best setup in these conditions. Not too many people said, okay, let's take the setup. Some of them said, well, fuck it, Paul. I'll choose not to take this one. A lot of you did that. Nothing I could help you with that. I showed you the setup. Hopefully some of you put the setup, and after that I said, okay, let's trail this one. Let's not put a take profit, a hard take profit in the market. Huh? And now our setup at this point in time is sitting at 31 risk to reward. Yeah, 31 R. Yeah, at this level here, I closed 50%, but I still have 50%. And you can see at some point in time we had 37. If we'll go to 45, we'll have 45 R. Guys, learn how to trade. Learn how to trade or do something else. Don't try to trade without knowing exactly what you are doing. This setup made my month. I don't care the market is going down. Come on, look at the risk to reward here. My portfolio is growing. My trading portfolio is growing with this trade. I'll be stupid to close it entirely here. No. I closed 50% here. I made my money. I cannot lose money anymore, and I'll trail the rest. I don't know if this market wants to go straight to 45 or lower. Okay, now, that will not help you if you didn't took the trade. If you took the trade, do exactly like me. Close 50%, trail the rest, or do whatever you want. From now on, it's up to you. My job was to just give you some setups. Now, let's take a look at the same template with a different one. Let's look at altcoins, just to see. You can see SFU here on Pyth, but let's, yeah. I don't see a setup here. Pixel, same idea. I don't see a bottom here. Joe, I don't see a bottom here. Aevo, well, similar. Almost everything, it's a new lows. E-gold, well, seems like wants to test my $20, guys, no? What do you say? Some stupid trader told you that his buying limit is at $20? And a lot of influencers told you, no, buy at 100. Dollar cost average from 100. I respect my plan, guys. The rest is up to you. I don't see a bottom here on daily. Not even on 4-hour chart. So, if I don't see anything on 4-hour chart, I'm not touching a chart like this. It's too violent. If you are an investor and you had some limit orders, that's different. That's not trading. That's investing. And if you had a limit order, I don't know, at $22 and you got a feel, well, okay. But trading wise, I need a bottom. I don't see anything. I'm not catching falling knives. Back on daily. Let's put this one. Come on. Okay, to see the volume better. E-gold, no bottom. Here, similar, you can see we are testing the lows on dimension. $1. That's why this one stopped here, because we have a big fat round number, $1. And someone will say, well, let's buy some at $1. Can go lower? Yeah, you can see where it start trading. Why not? Don't catch falling knives. I'll repeat. Alt, similar. You can see where they started trading. And when I said about this level, a lot of you, even from our community, laughed. Come on, Paul. Will never go there after the bull market. Well, that means the bull market is over, guys, because it's getting pretty close. ING, similar thing. Yeah, is getting back home. Back home means, I don't know, $10, $5, who knows. I don't see a bottom here, not yet. Ton, yeah, the best thing since hot water. Okay, I get it. Yeah, maybe, but give me some levels, and my levels should be here. There you go. We are close enough. Give me a W here, and then I could buy it. Solana, similar, up and down, range here. For the moment is still strong, but when I said about a long reload zone on Solana, a lot of people, no, Solana is the best. Yeah, it's pretty strong, I admit that, but I don't see a bottom here. I just don't see it for the moment. On 4-hour chart, show me a double, show me a setup. I don't see. I see just breaking the lows. We can form power of 3 on a lot of altcoins. It's possible, even probable. But show me that clean setup, and then we can decide. Well, someone asked about FED a couple of days or yesterday about, I think. Well, it's getting closer to our levels. I said below $1. I don't want to hear about FED above $1. Well, it's getting back home. Ethereum we spoke about. Manta similar. Price discovery to the downside. Touching this level is not impossible. Bitcoin, and CRV. Well, CRV was pretty strong until is not anymore. You can see it's below 20 cents. I don't see a bottom either. So guys, it is what it is. Let's wait. Let's not catch falling knives. Let's wait for some setups. The market will do the usual W's before going up. You can see W took some time indeed, but at least some bottoms, something to happen. Catching things like this, you don't know where to put your stop loss. If you are an investor and you are buying with little old lady, or you are dollar cost averaging, if you are dollar cost averaging, you don't care, because you'll not buy today. You'll buy at a specific date. But if you are using little old lady, you can think about, well, I'll buy this one and I'll sell half on a double. But only that, don't catch falling knives. I don't see requests where we have some. If you have a request, because the chat is full, please type again. But in general, everything looks kind of, I don't know, like this, like ING, going lower and trying to find the bottom. Good example, it's Aave. Where the fuck is Aave? We don't have Aave here? Aevo, sorry, not Aave. Well, we can see 30 cents, entire supply in the market. Give me a bottom, give me a good consolidation. We can play around. Could be this the fake out, and even now we are forming the bottom, and this is the fake out, and then we'll form a double above, possibly, but I don't have a way to know that. So little old lady, or just leave it alone for the moment. No requests from what I see. Let's hear us again in the New York session, and maybe we can find something. I blabbed away half an hour. Hopefully I helped you a little bit. Don't panic sell here, guys. Please don't do it. Don't sell your bags. You worth a lot to get your bags, and selling them here, if you have a plan, just respect your plan, please. because I bet if you respect your plan, you'll not sell here. Emotions could make you to sell the bottom here. Okay, that's about it from my part. I'll go on VIP with Stefan and the VIP guys to try to scalp something. I don't know if we'll manage to get anything in this environment, but we'll be there and try to hunt some setups. By the way, I don't know, probably Stefan will close the VIP registration today, so ask Stefan if you still have a place. If not, if you'll close the registration, maybe try next month. We are, from what I remember, we are pretty damn close to 20 to the max. Okay, guys. Miku is happy. Last chance challenge is damn happy. A lot of fields. Miku, if you have time this week, please update that spreadsheet, because you are the best to do that. You are the most consistent and I don't know how to say it. Yeah, that will be a good thing if you'll have that spreadsheet updated, because last night we had a lot of fields. Yeah. So yeah, for last chance challenge, you have to be a premium member. If you want to participate in that one, the best moment to use it, but it's not up to me, it's up to you. If you can afford to spend the money to be a premium member for 1 year, well, we'll compensate, but it's not up to me, it's up to you. Okay, I'm blabbing away too much and I don't like that. See you guys in the New York session or tomorrow with the same live stream. Remember, tomorrow probably Stefan will do day trading with Stefan. After I'll do the usual live stream, so you can watch both live stream tomorrow. In the New York session, all Discord members have access. Tuesday is for everyone in our community. Yeah? Okay, guys. See you next time.